NVIDIA's next flagship GPU, the RTX 6090, is coming with a huge performance leap. The NVIDIA RTX 60 series is expected to release in the second half of 2027. This means we can expect the RTX 6090 to hit the market around the same time. Although NVIDIA hasn't finalized the GPUs yet, the rumors are getting stronger by the day. With a rumored launch window, gamers and tech enthusiasts are eagerly waiting to get their hands on the new GPU. The RTX 6090 will feature NVIDIA's new Rubin architecture, which promises unprecedented performance and power efficiency. The new architecture is expected to double ray tracing performance and provide a major boost to path tracing. This means gamers can expect smoother and more realistic graphics than ever before. The RTX 6090 is expected to come with 16 GB of VRAM, which is a significant upgrade from the previous generation. This will provide a major boost to performance and allow for smoother gaming at higher resolutions. With the new VRAM, gamers can expect to play games at 8K resolution with ease. The RTX 6090 is expected to double ray tracing performance, which will provide a major boost to graphics quality. This means gamers can expect more realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows in their games. With the new ray tracing capabilities, games will look more realistic than ever before. The RTX 6090 is expected to provide a significant performance boost compared to the previous generation. With the new Rubin architecture and increased VRAM, gamers can expect smoother and more realistic graphics than ever before. The RTX 6090 is also expected to provide better power efficiency, which will reduce heat and noise. The RTX 6090 is expected to provide smooth gaming performance at 8K resolution. With the new VRAM and ray tracing capabilities, gamers can expect to play games at high resolutions with ease. The RTX 6090 is also expected to provide better performance in demanding games, such as 4K and VR games. The NVIDIA RTX 6090 has been generating a lot of buzz in the gaming community. While some gamers are excited about the new GPU, others are concerned about the price and availability. With the rumored launch window, gamers are eagerly waiting to get their hands on the new GPU. The NVIDIA RTX 6090 is just the beginning of a new generation of GPUs. With the new Rubin architecture and increased VRAM, we can expect even more powerful GPUs in the future. The RTX 6090 is also expected to provide better performance and power efficiency, which will reduce heat and noise. But the biggest question is, will the RTX 6090 be worth